Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul B. Gomez Jr., also known as Paul BGMZ. And today in this video, I am going to be talking about my first visit to Catalina Islands. So before talking about going to Catalina Islands, I want to talk about the budget on getting there on Ferris boat. It was a $66 for each person to go there, and the boat ride was amazing. I don't know if I ever experienced being on a Ferris boat before, but it was a very nice trip going all the way from Long Beach to Catalina Islands. There was like tables, chairs you can sit in. It's a free-for-all for everyone. You can just pick a seat, sit in it, and then enjoy the ride all the way from Long Beach to Catalina Islands. I am here in Catalina Island, and that is the boat I just came off. And keep in mind, this is my first trip here. I heard a lot of great things. I did a little bit of research being here. I think around 1:00 p.m. there's going to be a tour I'm going to be going on, and there's more stuff, and I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing here. I am going to have a really good time. I'm going to make sure I get some good shots here. So I heard in Catalina Islands you can go fishing around here. And I saw on the way over here, I saw some people fishing, and yeah, there they are. And oh, and there's also a paragliding. That looks really fun. I'm gonna get a shot of this. If you ever walk around here, be careful not to drop your phone because you'll lose it forever. This is terrific. I'm glad I came here on a beautiful day. There are times that the weather can be a little bit weird, so I'm gonna go see if my friend's ready because they went to the restroom. I just wanted to explore a little bit. So apparently the place where everyone has to get their cart rentals, it's already sold out. So we're going to another one. I think there's another one around here to get another cart, so that way I can go all the way up in that mountain where I'm going to be pointing at. I'm going to fly my drone up there. I would like to mention, once you get your golf cart, it'll give you a map where to go to. It has like an arrow that was drawn onto it, like where to go to, where to turn to. We were driving in a big, huge circle. It wasn't on a huge circle on the city, but it was on the mountain. So to get to the mountain, we had to make some turns, and the map shows you where to turn and to get up there. Looks like some people and couples came out here and carved their names up here too, just like they did to that one concrete I saw down there. This is a great view. Watch these guys. This is amazing. I see one of the cruise boats are leaving. See this nice house right here? That looks really nice. And there's a couple of houses over there you can see. I'm going to pan over here, and you can see some buildings. I think people live in them too, or they could be hotels. Being there, I remember my friend was asking me, what do you think of this island? And my response was, I don't know, if there's video gamers out there that can relate to this all totally reminds me of an open world. I'm a total gamer, I love open world games, and Catalina Island sort of reminds me of being in an open world game. So once me and my friend enjoyed ourselves driving around in the golf cart, we made a schedule to go on a tour around 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
The city was incorporated about 110 years ago, back in 1913, and according to the 2020 census, you may have also noticed our golf carts around. In order to get a golf cart, you must be a full-time resident for a year.
If you ever meet somebody named Nancy, definitely get her as your tour guide because you have to experience her drive. You'll start to see yourself hanging on. I saw some couple of people that were on board the truck and they were getting scared because how she was driving, but at the same time they were enjoying themselves. But she's a very nice lady that works there. She does a really good job on good tour guidings and really likes to make sure to show you all the animals that were there, like the bison, the fox, definitely the eagles. She made sure we were being able to see everything. I also like to mention the budget on the tour. I think it'll be like $70 per adult. And the tour duration is going to be very long, but fun, like I said, because we really enjoyed ourselves. Oh, and I also want to mention the part where there was like some rock slides that I could still remember, and I got that on film. It wasn't a huge rock slide, so it was a good thing. We were able to get along that rock slide and then moved on to our tour. But there were really big rocks. And Catalina Islands has their own airport, which is really neat, but there were only small planes there. There was no big planes because the runway is on top of a big mountain, and that's where we were at. But it was really nice to be there. They have a store, some place to look around in, and a huge map of the Catalina Islands. It's a huge map. This is a map of Catalina Islands. That's really amazing. And it tells you where like some of the edges is right here. This East End Light and Seal Rocks. Hey, look, and there's Catalina Island that we just came from. I wonder where the airport is at. I'm just trying to look for the airport right now. I don't know where it's at. It should say it somewhere. But all I see, there's a radio station, so they have their own radio station out here in Catalina Islands. This place has their own history. If you come out here and to Catalina Islands and do a real tour, they'll tell you the history of this area. This is one of those invasive species. One of the tour people were talking about this type of bush, and then it was taking over the island. So once the tour was done, me and my friend decided we wanted to go eat something before ending our day. And I was interested in going to the pizzeria because knowing me, I like my pizza. Pizza's my favorite food. The pizzeria place, restaurant didn't disappoint with that. Even though I was very tired, I did have a really great time being out there in Catalina Islands. I would like to thank my friend for inviting me to go to Catalina Islands. Thank you so much. It was a really wonderful, great experience. I'm glad I got the opportunity to be able to experience everything out there. also want to mention before ending this video, make sure the Catalina Express people don't give you like a wrong ticket. They have like 2 locations on Long Beach, and we went to the wrong one on our way back from Catalina Island, and our car was very far away from us. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video and hopefully you learned something. But till then, take care, see you next time, peace.